Employers today are desperate for employees who can flex creative thinking and form new ideas, approaches, or offerings. And it's even more impressive, demonstrating that you can quickly generate and evaluate different ideas with the assistance of AI tools. In fact, according to the World Economic Forum, the top 3 skills employers will ask for by 2027 include analytical thinking, creative thinking, and AI and big data. Let's talk about why this makes sense. Turning ideas into visuals takes time even for the fastest creators. And as we know, time is money. Adobe Firefly can help anyone, seasoned artists, imaginative writers, and savvy small business owners alike when it comes to creating and communicating concepts. For example, imagine you're marketing a new recycled clothing company, and you need to create a few mock-ups to show your merchandising ideas. You can go to Adobe Firefly and enter baseball hat made of recycled denim on a grass background to show your client what you envision. They love the idea, but they also want to see an option with a plain white tee. Adjusting your text prompt to white shirt made of recycled cotton on grass gives you another proof of concept to ensure your photographer goes on site with a shot list to capture exactly what the project requires. And when you get those final shots back, with another push of a button, you can use the Generative Fill feature in Firefly to add tree shadows, flowers, and more. Fast AI examples like these can keep you from wasting time and help entire teams stay on the same page. So now that you've played around with Adobe's Firefly capabilities in products like Express, Photoshop, or Illustrator, make sure you let others know how you're leveling up in this exciting new field of Gen AI. Here are some ways to showcase your new skills. Add to your resume, cover letter, and LinkedIn skills section your ability to use generative AI. Mention Adobe tools, as they are the industry standard and are highly trusted. Show your process, everything from imagining to text prompts to examples you evaluated and edited to get a final creation. Demonstrating the different inputs you use to yield differing results ties right into great communication skills. Like a portfolio, it shows that you know how to use Gen AI tools and that you understand the right prompts and processes to make successful creations. Share your work in progress on social or within your communities using #Adobe Firefly. Share the different prompts you tried out using, or ask for feedback on which of the creations you're evaluating seem most effective. Plus, this is a simple way to improve your critical and analytical thinking skills. All right, so if you've made it this far, congratulations on reaching the end. With Gen AI, you can work faster, smarter, and with more convenience. That's why a course like this is an important investment for your time. From school to work, Gen AI is likely to find its way into your workflow. So I have no doubt that you'll have tons of opportunities to apply these lessons. And the exciting part is that you can continuously expand this skill set. Keep learning, practicing, and exploring the world of AI. After all, the next time you look, there may even be a new feature or integration that's been released. You may just surprise yourself with what you can create.